In this video, what we will learn is how to solve quadratic inequalities and also how to use SOR or POR, which is sum of roots and product of roots, to solve questions. Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics, where this channel is about you to build up your habit incorporating a question a day in mathematics. So for today's video, we will look at a question from Form 4 Chapter 2 Quadratic Functions. So before we discuss this question, you all can take a look and try it by yourself first. In part A, we are given an equation and they're telling us to find the range of values of x when y is less than 5. So range of values of x meaning our answer will have more than or less than or any other inequality. So since the equation tells us that y is less than 5, so we need to find the equation of y from this equation by rearranging it and let y as the subject, which means y on the left. So this thing would be less than 5. And from the last second line, I divided the whole equation with 4, so we will get the equation below, and you can see that here there is a quadratic function. So we can use factorization or using calculator to split this out. And now we have a quadratic inequality, which can only be solved using the graph method. So in another video, I have explained this graph method in more detail, so I will put the link here to let you refer. So now our inequality is less than, so we will look at the area which is below the x-axis. And our answer would be x is between -2 and 2. For part B, we are given another quadratic equation, and they say that one root is reciprocal to another root, and find the value of its discriminant. So what does these two words mean? So reciprocal means if one of the roots is alpha, means the other root will be its reverse, which is 1 over alpha. And discriminant means b squared -4ac. So the BAC is actually from the values of this equation. So here would be 1, which is the A, here would be the B, and here would be the C. But there's an issue, which is the values here have M. So we need to find the value of M by using the information given in this question. So actually you are given two types of information. One is from the roots side, and one is from the equation side. And both of them have the same similarity, which is we can find their SOR, which is sum of roots, and POR, which is product of roots from both sides. And we can use this information to equate each other to find the value of M. So for the roots, here are the SOR and POR. For the SOR for the equation, we need to change negative to positive. I have also explained this in great detail in another video, so I'll put the link here to let you all refer. So the SOR would be 10 minus 5 over 2m, and POR we can just straight extract out, which is 2 over m. And now we can equate each other. But if you realize, the POR in roots is actually a value. So actually we don't need to equate SOR anymore. We can just equate this and find the value of M, which is 2. So now let's just state the b squared minus 4ac in terms of M first and substitute 2 into M. And the answer you will get is 21. And with that, we have completed this question. So the take-home point for this video is, when it comes to solving quadratic inequalities, for more than, we need to look at the area above the x-axis. So answer would be x less than a, x more than b. So if we're looking at less than, we will look at the area which is below the x-axis, which is here. So x will be between A and B. And for the second one, when it comes to solving questions, we can use the information from roots and equations and equate each other. One of the examples of the information is SOR and POR, as we see here. So we use the SOR and POR from roots and equations, we equate and to find the value of M. Alright, so if you are interested in this questions answer scheme, you can click the link in the video description. And if you feel this video is beneficial to you, please give a like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and classmates. So I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Thank you.